Hey everyone, today we're talking about something that's been popping up a lot online, the so-called Jillian Michaels coffee trick for weight loss. You may have seen this all over Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube ads. These ads claim you can lose fat overnight without any diet or exercise, just by drinking a special coffee recipe at home. Sounds a little too good to be true, right? Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let me break down what these ads say. In one video, a woman talks about a secret ingredient that you're supposed to mix with coffee, apple cider vinegar, turmeric, banana, and something else that's only revealed after watching a long video. The ad even says this drink is 10x more powerful than Mounjaro, which is a real FDA-approved weight loss medication. They also claim it's all natural, has no side effects, and is so effective it will make it look like you had cosmetic surgery. They promise no yo-yo effect, no loose skin, no tired look. Just drink this magic coffee and you'll be slim and glowing. But here's the catch. When you click the ad, it takes you to a long video that's nearly an hour long. The video claims it'll reveal the ingredient in just a few minutes, but it keeps dragging on with stories about scientists, secret discoveries, and conspiracies about how they don't want you to know the truth. The progress bar even seems to slow down the closer you get to the end, a clear tactic to keep you hooked. And what's at the end of this hour-long sales pitch? A supplement. It's called Slim Shape, and instead of giving you a coffee recipe, they push this pill as the real solution. What's worse is that they use AI-generated clips to make it look like celebrities like Jillian Michaels or Oprah are endorsing the product, but they're not. These are fake AI-manipulated videos where the voice and lips are perfectly synced. It's super deceptive, and most people wouldn't even realize they're being tricked. Now let's talk about the supplement itself. It makes all kinds of big promises. It says it helps with blood sugar, blood pressure, brain health, digestion, circulation, energy, and even something vague like supports healthy health. That's a huge red flag. No single supplement can safely or effectively do all that. It's just not realistic. Also, the product talks about using a proprietary blend, which basically means they don't tell you how much of each ingredient you're getting. Without clear dosages, you can't know if it's effective or even safe. This kind of secret formula marketing is typical of shady health products. I also tried looking up this so-called coffee recipe online, and guess what? There's no real information about it. No medical sources, no scientific backing, nothing. Just more of the same long videos trying to sell you a supplement. So please don't fall for these kinds of ads. They're full of hype and emotional tricks, and in the end, they just want your money. Always be skeptical of anything promising overnight results, and definitely talk to your doctor before trying any new supplement.